Today on this review, we'll be looking at Artistro acrylic paint markers. All right, so these markers were sent to me by my company for a virtual creative kind of networking and bonding event. I'm not an artistic person, and I normally probably would not have purchased something like this, but I have enjoyed them. My company also sent us some coasters, and so we were encouraged to sip some wine and doodle on our coasters while we were at the event. I really like these. I think they turned out really well. This is kind of my signature little flower that I draw if I don't draw anything. I'm not artistic. But it was fun making these. I really liked how the dots turned out. I think those are nice. I tried to do one with waves. It's not pretty. So, but it was fun to do. Ink is a little bit hard to get out of the pen itself. So some of these I've started. It comes in a bunch of colors, which is nice. So that is a good thing. So here is, here are the variety of colors, and the red one I have not started yet. So I thought I would show you how I was starting them, if it's right or not. It says to shake. And then draw, but you really have to like really push and shake in order to make it work. So I found that to be kind of a drawback. I mean, obviously I guess you don't want them leaking out while they're in transit, so you need to make sure that the ink's not coming right out there. Ink, paint, I guess it's paint. The package, the pins on the side say shake, push, paint, recap. So there we go. Now we finally are getting there, and it's a little weak to come out at first, and then it should maybe start coming out a little heavier. Yeah, starting to come out a little heavier now. So, but again, dots are great. The dots come out really nice. It's very nice. So let's look at one that I've had capped for a little while and see. Oh, there it goes. It is all over it. No problem. So that's good. I have a few I think that I haven't opened. Brown I've opened. So, but I just find that lines, and maybe if you are more talented than me, then maybe lines would be easier to draw. This doesn't look too bad right here, but on that cork material, it was really rough. It was just really hard to make anything happen. So, but anyway, kind of a fun product. I think this would be great if you just like to doodle and want to make it nice and colorful. I think that for kids, this could be super dangerous. So leave that to your own discretion if they have a nice craft room and or you have a house that you don't mind getting painted. So, well, I found out after I pressed that through the paper, I was cleaning up the paper and there are paint spots on my desk. So I guess that's definitely something to watch out for. You want to make sure that you're on a nice protected surface or a surface that can get paint on it. All right, well, this was fun. Not something I would buy myself normally, but something that I've certainly enjoyed and I hope to get more use out of in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.